guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's recipe is very interesting and healthy, delicious as well. So today I'm gonna make potato cups. So let's get started and we'll see the recipe. कपकेक वाला मोल्ड इफ़ यू डोंट हैव दिस आप इस ऐसे टाइप की कटोरी में बना सकते हैं. विल ब्रश दिस विथ लिटिल ऑयल. Brush it off with a mixture of oil, some garlic and some dried herbs. So for the aloo cups we are gonna make some filling. So I'm making healthy. These are the sorted vegetables, and I've prepared this white sauce. I'll put on the recipe. So let's get started. It's time to add some cheese. And final touch. Okay. And now just bake it for around 3 minutes. You can take a look. So our potato cups are ready. You can see. So I'm gonna garnish it with some coriander. So my potato cups are ready. You can make yours, and do let me know how you like this recipe, and do like, share and subscribe to my channel if you like it. And yes, see you in the next video. Till then, bye.